If you've lost access to your Spotify account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access without needing verification codes. Step 1. Visit the Spotify login page. Go to the Spotify website and click on the login button. Here, you will find options for account recovery. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login page, select the Forgot Your Password link. This will direct you to a page where you can initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Spotify account. Make sure it is the correct email, as this is where recovery instructions will be sent. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Spotify with instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Reset your password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Once you have set a new password, you should be able to log into your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Spotify account without needing verification codes. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Spotify's customer support for further assistance.